Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a SharePoint Hub website. We will create a communication site, which will be our main site, and then we will create a team site, which will connect to the same hub. First, you need to go to your SharePoint Admin Center. Under Sites, Active Sites, click on Create. Now, you have to choose which type of site you want to use. For the main page, we will use the communication site. We enter a site name, and choose a site owner. Then you can click Finish, and the site will be created. Select your new site and click on Hub in the menu. Here we are choosing Register as Hub Site. Create a hub name and select people who can associate sites with this hub. You can click on Save and close. You have successfully created a hub site. Now let us create another site and add it to our hub. Click on Create and choose Team Site. Enter a site name and select a group owner. Then you can click Next. Here you can add members, but we will start without any members. Select your new created team site and go to Hub again. Here you choose Associate with a hub. Then select the created hub name and save. Now we are finished. We have created 2 SharePoint sites with a hub connection. Thanks for watching. In the next video I will go into hub navigation. Stay tuned. If this video was helpful to you, leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye!